Hello everyone. Today we are going in another road to show you a different community. This is Green Street. Whitney is here. Whitney. This one is called Green Street. We are going in another family trip.
Hello everybody.
Wow, Green Street used to be really bad here on the road. It was resurfaced. Now they have a smooth road. And how far is Green Street from, well, from Cedar Grove or NCU? Green Street is probably what, 1 minute? 2 minutes? I think in a car you take less than 2 minutes. It's really close. Okay, so let's just see here. This is Green Street. Oh, building a big house there. No, a lot of these big houses that you are expecting to see in this area. But on this road, actually, it's like driving like a back road from the usual one that we go, Manchester Road. Because this one, now we are going to take the right, and it will take us to Cedar Grove. So we are taking here the right. This is Green Street. Now taking the right to go to Cedar Grove. It's a big house. Help me. There are buildings going on in this area and development that one. So we need to go there. There's a school here at the left. We are seeing that there's some other houses going on the left. Probably from the camera perspective, now you cannot see. Lonely road.
We're now leaving Green Street and we're heading towards Cedar Grove. This street actually connects those two communities. So now we're actually in Cedar Grove District, because there's also a community called Cedar Grove Housing Scheme. So we're in Cedar Grove District now. And we're going to be passing through Cedar Grove and heading straight into Walinton. So all of these communities are connected by this one road. You could say that this is a fairly rural community.
Hey Mandeville.
Though it's so close to the main road.
Okay,
Because most of the people who live here are from the low socioeconomic status. We're going to go straight across.
Yeah, so here at the right, we will be going Cedar Grove, right?
We are in Cedar Grove, but this road to the right will take
to go
us
to the main
down,
road.
back down to the main Manchester Road.
Yes.
But we're not going to go on to Manchester Road. We're going to continue straight through Cedar Grove and into Walinton.
Oh, there are a lot of avocados, eh? avocado. So in here now it starts changing. No? You start seeing different houses. But the roads are not so bad. This road's even looking better than the one in Ingleside.
So as we move from Cedar Grove community into Waltham, we start to see that the houses different. They are larger. You can tell that persons have more resources on this side. And so we're moving into a community that has more wealthy people living here. And if you know Waltham is one of the communities around Mandeville with really nice houses. So hopefully you'll be able to see some of those as we drive through.
There's the first big house in here. Big thing.
This looks like an apartment complex.
But I'm seeing the road here. Really, the roads here look better than Ingleside, practically.
Yeah, this community has good roads. Generally speaking, Waltham has good roads. I think it's probably because of the terrain of the community. Whenever the community is hilly, the water tends to run off, so the roads are preserved. Wherever it's flat and the water settles, then you have more potholes and the roads are damaged faster.
Water. Didn't see that. Seems like it's raining forward.
Running ahead of us? Carry your jacket? That's,
Under the cover.
oh, that's a good thing.
You can cover your head if it's raining.
And it's raining.
It's drizzling a little bit here.
Whoa, Whitney, look, the rain is coming there.
Wow, the rain is coming.
Whoa.
I'm passing Waltham Early Childhood School on the left.
What?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Early Childhood School.
Nice.
It's a kindergarten school.
That. I'm doing kindergarten.
Yes, it's a school for children who are your age with it.
Alright, I'm good at that school.
Okay, so here we have to get the main road for Walinton, right?
Yeah. Welcome. We're gonna go left
Yes.
onto Waltham Road.
Wow.
Waltham Main Road.
This development in there with some lots for sale.
Yeah, lots for sale, but I can just imagine how much those are going for.
Whoa. I think it cost for 159,000 million $50.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
Well, this house on the left is really modern.
Oh, this
I
is
haven't seen any house with this kind of design.
oh, but we can see here.
it because they still have the zinc fence up. But it's a really modern looking house.
Yeah.
Very different from what we're used to.
In Jamaica.
In Jamaica, that is.
You look more like one of those designs from Latin America. Or that's how. Alright. How it's look from this surface. The road that was down there, and it looked.
Surface?
Here is that the road is not so good here in the main.
Because of the traffic, a lot of vehicles coming through. This area is flat because the water settles.
Very narrow, this road. Very narrow. So here we are leaving.
We're leaving Walinton and we're going on to Perth Road.
Yep.
Going right.
Yeah, going right is like going back to the town.
Yeah,
We will be exiting right there in that intersection, Grove Road. Like going, yeah, and if you continue, you will see Mega Mart.
And there's a lot of cars in Mandeville.
Yeah. So let's keep the left. We came here before, but when we came, we took it from Perth Road, like coming from Mega Mart, and then we came this way to show you the development, the Perth Estate, alright?
Perth Estate.
Perth Estate. We came this way. Don't know if probably you saw that video, maybe this road is familiar. Well, it looks like they resurfaced this part. Yes, they did. But still it's very narrow to be a main road. Here back. We're going into first. So we are back. You can see that here the road looks totally different. It's a transformation. So you
And
can.
there is a big cloud.
So this is.
And look what's coming out.
This is.
Perth Estate.
Perth place is coming after here.
Estate.
Perth Estate.